So we put all of the names in a generator on random.org, and the winner is...
Let's say it in unison.
1, 2, 3. There's 64 comments, so we're gonna give a tally to every 64 comments.
Today's the giveaway of the 2 phones. My daughters are cringing right now, which is awesome. And my oldest daughter's here, and she's visiting. And then they're gonna pick, based on the comments, they will pick the winners, 2 winners.
We're gonna read through all of them, and then decide who is the most deserving.
Yes. Based off of no specific rubric.
Start with the bottom.
Let's get into this.
Specific what now? Rubric?
Rubric.
What can you? Ooh, that's like a college word. Let's hear the.
No.
Actually, it's
we
not.
say the same in
It's like
French.
That's like a really basic word.
Is it
It's like
really?
grading.
We say the same in French.
Rubric.
Did you say grading?
Yeah. Okay.
So the first comment
from the
comes
bottom.
from Scotty S, who says, "My 1-year-old smashed the screen on my phone, and my 3-year-old daughter did the same to my wife's phone. Please help us." Scotty S, that's a valid one. I'm just gonna put his name. I'm gonna put down their name if they have a valid reason for needing one.
Yeah. My phone home button stopped working, and I'm stuck using my wife's old phone. It has a cracked screen that's flickering, and did I mention it's an iPhone? I'll trade you some Tillamook cheese. I hope you're familiar. That's all we
We
got.
are. We know that from living in Seattle. Tillamook. That's
That red phone looks killer, so he's got a preference
He's
for
jonesing
the red
for the
phone.
red
All right,
phone.
I'm gonna put down Christopher just
Alright.
because I like Tillamook cheese, and
I like how
some.
he's coercing us with cheese.
Yeah, I'm a friend.
Leo MC says, "Please, sir," very formal. "I would like to get the red UMIDIGI F1 because I've been looking at this phone for a few months now and it has really caught my eyes. Please, sir, it would mean so much because the phone I have at the moment is running Android Nougat 7.0 and I would really love this phone. I live in the USA."
Okay.
Okay, really?
Blackout Hack says, "Hey, my preference is the black F1. And the reason that my parents don't buy me anything and
The reason is
that my parents don't buy me anything and my phone got stolen. So here I am on my dad's phone looking at this, and honestly, it's a nice video. You should have more subs." Ooh, they're buttering you up.
Oh
Yeah.
man.
Than what you have right now, and honestly, I want the phone. Hope my luck is at 100.
Nice.
Wow. Well,
his name is Blackout Hacks, and it seems like he's hacking life right now.
That's right.
should we put his name down since he
We'll
was
put his
used
name because
compliments?
he actually
Yeah.
yeah,
That
and
was
he had
decent.
a reason.
He had a reason.
Yeah. Amy said, "Hey, I use Mint too. Love it. First, how nice of y'all to do a little comment contest for the great review. Secondly, the memory on this phone is insane and I need an upgrade. There just isn't enough room for all the needed apps, you know?
True.
As a UNCCH student," I don't know what that means.
Well, that must be a place.
Yeah. Who uses public transit, there are about 15 preferred apps for navigating campus, checking into class, 2-step verification, watching the transit schedule.
Camille knows
Some
this.
good effort into this comment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
Work
it's
study's awesome, not only a 200 phone kind of paycheck, and just think of all the pictures I can take of Tar Heel doggos visiting campus.
I don't quite know what that
Okay.
means.
Okay. Valid, Amy. Just Amy. How'd you get that username?
No, you can put your name as
Oh, can you? Oh, I thought she just literally booked Amy, like Amy at google.com. Can you imagine?
Oh, yeah.
There probably is a person. I tried to get Kobe.
A Dead Alien N says,
What was that? A dead alien?
"Hi, yes, I'd like a phone. Please, either color. Why? Because getting it for free would definitely help me as a broke college student. Lol." The
Hey.
graduation hats.
Okay.
Nice.
I gotcha,
A
but
dead alien.
I don't know. That was kind of similar to the other one.
It-
The other
it
one had a
is,
lot
but-
more effort. But
That's true. So we'll keep Amy on the list.
Yeah. I would love to give these a try. I don't think it's hard to get rid of them.
You have to say the name.
Oh, Tawfiq Chaudhary?
Sure. I don't know.
Nice.
No, I just don't know.
I totally totally butchered that name.
Yeah, we're sorry.
We're sorry. I would love to give these a try. I just don't know about this comment because then he says, I don't think it's that hard to get rid of them.
Well, meaning, I don't think like in a. Oh yeah, they're saying because on
Like he
my
wants to
video.
resell it.
No. In my video, wow, this is really not the best music. On my video, I said they're not easy to resell. So I went on Swappa and some other. I just didn't see any F1s on there, so I'm gonna skip past this. Oh dear Lord.
You want to read
Bear
this
with
one
me,
to see?
guys.
Yeah, Westman97 says, I'm that broke Michigan college student eating ramen using a 4-year-old phone, would love an update with excellent battery life like the F1. My phone's battery is on its last leg. Good luck to everyone. Once you go black, you never go back, lol. Okay.
Oh, that's
yeah,
funny.
let's put
It's
Westman down.
Funny.
Yeah, you checked a lot of boxes there. This is gonna be tough because a lot of people left a lot of nice comments. All right, keep
You
going.
know who's not getting it? David.
Yeah, David C says, I would like either phone simply because Baby Shark, and then he goes into singing the Baby Shark song.
Let's see how it
Joe
goes.
Goodwin says, why are you laughing?
You sounded like you were gonna burst into tears. You're like, Joe Goodwin.
Joe Goodwin says, thanks for the generous offer. Even if I didn't win, this is good luck for the rest of us.
Aw.
I'd like the red one for my wife. Her phone already has bad battery, so this
Yeah.
juggernaut of a battery should be a good replacement.
It is, by the way. It's a great battery life.
Oh,
Well,
Joe's thinking
that's
of his
kind
wife.
Of you're thinking of your wife. And it's not
Absolutely.
for you. Okay.
Should we put down Joe?
Yeah, let's put Joe down.
Yeah.
Joey.
Elf-fat bastard.
L fat bastard 209.
John Possum
black.
says, I'd like either one because I haven't bought a phone in a long, long time. I bought a Samsung Galaxy S Edge Plus many years ago and just managed to drop and crack it right through the middle
Oh, I
of the
know.
screen the past week. I felt so bad because I usually take good care
That's
of
the red
things.
one.
But I have a handicapped left
Oops.
hand, so I'm prone to dropping things because I'm always wearing a glove to keep it warm. And gloves are always more slippery than skin. Well, John, that was a very
John Possum.
thoughtful
That was,
comment.
oh, this is going to be hard.
I
Some
know.
people have-
I mean, I do appreciate everybody's
I
comments.
wish we could give
But
phones to everyone.
I know, me too, but that would be way too many.
Yeah.
You get a phone. You get a We're not Oprah money over here. All right, go ahead, Nutchell.
Isn't it? Oh, okay, never mind. Emerald Customs says, I've been looking at trying to get a new phone since November. I bought a cheap Chinese phone, but it didn't work with my SIM carrier and ended up being a waste. Ever since then, I've
that
been looking
sucks.
at a bunch of phone stats on Chinese phones and learned what they meant and learned what kind of LTE bands work in the US. I stumbled upon the UMIDIGI
I know, right?
and I've looked at every review. Wow, they really want it. It would be great to win either color. So they really want this one.
Yeah, because here's the network.
We've been thinking
On
about
the
it
box.
specifically.
Network.
So that's Emerald Customs.
Should we then choose randomly from this selection?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay,
Because
good
I think
idea.
it's going to be too hard to go
Yeah.
back. And
Excuse me. Yes.
Michael Wallace says, I would love to give this to my brother. He could really use it. He bought one, but it was used and it's getting really hot for some reason. And I think he would really like the black one.
Once again, it's just...
Your phone has a fever.
Yeah,
Oh my God.
I know, but it works. It works. It's just kind of warm.
But,
It depends.
yeah.
Was he rendering high-end graphics on it? I don't know. All right.
I don't know. Maybe the fever will spread to the new phone and...
R.W. Watlington says, I'd like the black one. UMIDIGI is an up-and-coming phone maker, and I support them 100%. I had UMIDIGI phones in the past, and they're great phones. I love being able to use, and I have an unlocked cell phone I can take anywhere. I love your videos also. We have
Oh,
a
thank you.
compliment, and we have something that proves that you support and would enjoy this phone. So I'm going to put your name down.
Roger B.Y. I'm in Canada and could pay shipping, but I'll leave to you Americanos. Oh.
Oh, okay, yeah. No, that's nice. I appreciate I know because it's global, right? So everybody.
Right.
It's really nice of you. By the way, my voice is way low today. I went to a friend's house and was laughing way too much.
Yeah.
It's like I've been at a concert, so. Not that this is about me.
Okay, 3 L's, same. Says, I still got S4 with a broken screen, sad face. Oh, that's sad, but like, too
but
bad.
take the L.
Oh, I
Take
have
the L.
And
broken
make your name 4L.
That's kind of funny, actually.
Toshmi says, I need a new burner phone.
What's a burner phone?
Well, that's like when you're just like, you don't really need the phone. It's like another phone.
Oh,
You know,
the red one, so it doesn't stand out and look suspicious.
Wait, wouldn't
They're
red,
being sarcastic.
wouldn't red look?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't appreciate that.
Kind of think that was sarcastic. It's okay though. Thank you for leaving a comment. It's all good.
Comment.
Doth
Don't
cheeks,
touch me.
Okay, we've
Doth cheeks, HE4.
Darth or
Darth.
Darth cheeks.
Darth cheeks. So it's like Darth Vader but with cheeks.
And we don't know if it's these cheeks. Or these. Awesome update. I need the Iron Man Red F1 so when I see Infinity War, the colors of my brothers and my iPhones will match up to each Avengers. I'm a hardcore Avengers fan.
Oh my god.
That's pretty like passionate.
That's funny.
I
But
like
I don't know
that.
if you need it as much as some people.
That's true. Like if you just want it for conventional reasons.
Like you could just get a new case.
Yeah.
You're probably gonna get a case anyway. Yeah, okay, so Pampos Muscos says, hello, thanks for the chance. I would love to get the red one for my little daughter. I am international and I will pay for the shipping. Thanks.
That's really nice, but I don't know if that's gonna be worth paying for the shipping. Oh, why the car is so loud. Actually, a motorcycle,
Okay, so
Cute Men says, I really like F1 phone, but sadly I have no money to buy, so I'm watching all review of this phone and make me happy imagining I have this phone.
I've been there.
Sad.
I know what that's like. Well, you should write him down.
Yeah,
That was
should.
nice. But I don't know if we should randomly pick, or do you think we should like
Yeah,
whittle it?
let's randomly pick from what we selected, otherwise it'll take way too long and I have work in 40 minutes.
I can put them in a
That's way
random
honest.
generator.
Okay, we can do that. We'll have to randomize them.
Yeah. Anonymous player says, I'd like to win the phone, black or red, mainly because my current phone is a Galaxy S4 and the battery life isn't good anymore. But overall, keep up the great work.
Thank you. Yeah.
Well, I feel drawn to you because your profile picture is a duck and I really like ducks.
We like ducks. Oh yeah, I take pictures of ducks all the time.
Isn't good anymore? Does that mean still working? I mean, some people don't even have phones.
True. We yeah.
We have to
So
start to
we're on the fence here.
Yeah.
Sweet Sexy Death says, I've been waiting months for this phobe. On the same day Tiger Woods won the Masters in his awesome Sunday red shirt. Tiger wins and we all win. Thanks, brother. Who's Tiger Woods?
Oh, ouch. Golf player.
You don't know who Tiger Woods
It's iconic.
is?
Well, I didn't know that word that you said earlier.
Yeah, but Tiger Woods.
No, I know,
pop
Tiger.
Culture.
Yeah,
Okay.
he's had a
Okay, so here's
hey.
what we're gonna do.
I wouldn't expect her to know Tiger Woods. It's not like we're huge golfers, even though we live in a totally near
He
golf
was more
course.
popular before.
Yeah, he was. Then things went sideways for a while, and then he recovered.
No, okay.
And he's
you know
got
what we
better
should
now.
do?
Random generator.
Hey, yeah, but real quick though, and Justine, I know you don't have to stay for the whole thing, but that one girl, I don't know if I feel like the college student girl should get one, just
Which one?
because she was like, I don't know, it seemed like that story of all of them really touched me. The one who said like about being a student and like there's all these apps,
Stop growing so fast. We go up again.
navigation.
Yeah. Amy.
Yeah.
Just Amy.
Just Amy.
Amy, it's your lucky day.
What do y'all think? I'm just running it past you because you're a college student. You know what it's like. Or should we just put her in the pool? the virtual pool
Well,
of
if you
selection.
felt particularly punched.
Let's give Amy
We'll
one.
give Amy one.
So
See.
we put all of the names in a generator on random.org, and the winner is...
Let's say it in unison.
1, 2, 3. Joe Goodwin!
Now look it up. Did Joe want a specific color? Okay, sorry, it stopped. It was the GoPro's getting too hot for some weird reason.
And I think it's karma for not picking the guy who had the hot phone.
Oh, that's weird. Yeah. Okay, so
Anyway,
he
he didn't win, so...
so who won again?
Joe Goodwin.
Joe Goodwin. Good
Yeah.
job, Joe.
And he wanted the red one.
You're getting the red.
For-
Sorry,
for his
Amy.
wife.
And Amy's getting the black.
Amy, I chose you, so you're getting the black phone
Yeah, she
She
because
said
Better
she'd feel
than
just
no
as
phone.
blessed.
yeah, I know.
one.
I know. I wish they were both red, everybody, because
Yeah.
it seems to be a really cool
All
color.
right. Congratulations.
All right, the camera is way too hot. I don't know what's going on, but yes, we're giving away both. Thanks everybody for leaving comments. Really appreciate it. Thanks everybody. Scotty, Christopher.
You're not even reading
What?
all of them.
Well, I can't read them all.
So whatever.
It's
They
not-
already got a
All
shout
right, they
out.
got it. Thank
It's
you.
Alright,
Thanks for
bye.
subscribing. Happy Easter, everybody.
Keep watching
See you.
the videos.
Bye.